My name's Mark Belford. I'm the regional lead for HIT Training's Chef Academy. I cover the west of England. I cover Gloucestershire, Dorset, Devon, Cornwall and the Bristol area. We're a work-based learning provider, helping apprentices through their qualifications, supporting them in the workplace and bringing them to bespoke training academies like we have at Harts Barn. The guys are working today with pheasant, quail, pigeon, guinea-fowl, venison and rabbit. They'll be taught a number of preparation methods, a number of cooking methods and a number of finishing methods. At the end of the day we'll do an innovation task. They can showcase all the preparation skills they've learned, the cookery methods and techniques that they've learned, the flavour pairing, the seasonality, and they'll bring that together in a 45-minute time session, or they'll bring together their own, hopefully, innovative dish. I set up with Harts Barn 18 months ago. I sat down with a vet. She really liked what we did, what we stood for, our ethics, and we had a lot of synergy. So we sat down, we book once a month. It's a great facility. I work all over the country. It's a large, spacious kitchen, incredibly well equipped, can cater for up to 16 to 18 students. So it's clean, it's tidy. We have great communication with the vet, and it's a relationship of, long may continue.